Hey, what's up guys? In this video we will see if the Samsung Galaxy A16 has stereo speakers or not. Now to check if the Samsung Galaxy A16 has stereo speakers or not, just open YouTube. Now from here, just play any music.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. Love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna wait. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow through the sun rays.
Now, as you can see, the Samsung Galaxy A16 does not have stereo speakers. It has a single speaker at the bottom of the smartphone. And this is how you can check if the Samsung Galaxy A16 has stereo speakers or not. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.